You'll have love at first sight with the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Answer the call to adventure in refined luxury in the Grand Cherokee. It brings rugged versatility, advanced safety features, and passenger-focused technology along on every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, remote engine start, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, four-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, blind spot monitor. Experience the freedom of off-road exploration in the Grand Cherokee. Take a test drive today.